Hello, Bivisica. I'm Skillspot, the AI interviewer for Skillspot.ai. Welcome to this pre-screening interview for the Business Development Officer remote position. I've reviewed your profile and it seems you have relevant experience in business development. Let's begin with our first question. Can you briefly describe your experience in market research and analysis, particularly in identifying potential clients and industry trends?
Hi, Skillspot.ai. Thank you for the question. Talking about the market research and analysis part, my first focus is always on gathering the past data and analyzing the data to make the current decisions. And I think the current social media trends and the social media platforms are also really helpful in identifying the potential clients and industry trends.
Thank you for your response, Bivisica. It's good to hear that you utilize data analysis and social media trends in your approach. Let's delve a bit deeper. Can you provide a specific example of how you've used data analysis or social media insights to identify a potential client or capitalize on an industry trend in your previous roles?
Yeah, definitely. Since I was working on the business development part, I was assigned with the responsibility of increasing business in the Kathmandu Valley. So what I did was I looked at the data of our sales of last year, and from that I recognized some clients who had done major purchase from the major locations, and using that data I took out their information and used social media metrics to connect with them, meet them one on one, and it helped me identify my potential client, and I eventually turned them into my client. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing that specific example, Bivisica. It's impressive how you combined historical sales data with social media outreach to identify and convert potential clients. Moving on to another key aspect of the role, could you tell me about your experience in developing and executing sales strategies to achieve revenue targets? Can you provide an example of a successful strategy you've implemented?
Yeah, definitely. In case of Nepal, I think the most important sales strategy that we normally have to use is our network, because network is definitely network and net worth, and it has definitely helped me to achieve revenue targets. From all the past experience I've done, I've got network in banking field, insurance field, technical field, and these networks have always helped me give business and achieve my revenue targets.
Thank you for sharing that insight, Bivisica. It's clear that you understand the value of networking, especially in the Nepalese market. Your diverse network across various industries is certainly an asset. Now let's focus on a specific aspect of the Business Development Officer role at Skillspot.ai. As we're an AI-driven recruitment partner, can you tell me about your understanding of AI technology in recruitment? Have you had any experience working with or promoting AI-based solutions?
I had definitely used some AI tools in the past, like ChatGPT or Gemini, to give me contents like for writing letters or creating press meet or press releases. I've used these AI based solutions, and definitely it has made my life very easier. And not in just my field, I think in healthcare and in recruitment and in the hospitality sector, I think everywhere AI is doing wonders, and I think it's very important that we start adapting to it.
Thank you for your response, Bivisica. It's good to hear that you have some experience using AI tools and that you recognize their potential across various industries, including recruitment. Given that Skillspot.ai is a remote-first company, can you share your experience working remotely? How do you ensure effective communication and maintain productivity in a remote work environment?
Yeah, I have had an experience of working remotely during COVID when the whole world was on lockdown. In order to ensure effective communication, I think we need to have the right tools like WhatsApp, Slack for proper communication and to stay updated on what the whole team is doing. And maintaining productivity is obviously important because when you're in a home setting, we need to take care of our personal health, our family, and our work. And I think creating a proper routine which revolves around personal health and work is very important to maintain productivity.
Thank you for sharing.